Hello folks, Less with Less here. Wanted to show you something after we did our receiver improvement. I'm using the B&K 2040 signal generator. Got it on channel 38. Look at that S meter. It's an S7. Look at where I've got the power set. Okay. We'll move it up to where we normally see a 9. That should be an S9 right there on the meter. That's what our receiver improvements do. Okay, that's over a 9. Again, I'm going to turn it down, watch the meter. That's down to 0. RF level is down to 0 right there. And we're on the, what is that, negative 60 dB scale? 300 microvolt scale. Can you see that? Okay, 300 microvolts, negative 60 dB. I've got the RF level turned down to 0. I still have almost an 8 S unit. Pretty amazing. Better set the thing back up to where I normally see an S9. Now we'll calibrate the meter back to an S9 before I ship it. I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that was pretty amazing. But we change out a few parts, and which lowers the noise floor and improves the receiver without the white noise. With the signal generator cut off, it's quiet. Okay. Just thought I'd show you all that. Thanks a lot. Okay, this 959 custom is for Yaesubase1. This is your 959. I'm showing you that little blue filter right there. That's the 10.7 IF filter. The one that came in the radio was a 25 wide filter, and this one is 15, so give you a little bit better channel rejection. And here is the power coming into the radio with all the filter caps and the protection diode on it now, and these wires will be tied back over against the side. I just put them over there to get them out of the way. Still got to solder in the amplifier and the antenna connections, but there's your 3 finals. The one in the middle there is the new one. I've got a mica insulator on it. It does have heat sink compound on both sides. And that's pretty much it for now. More later. Okay, Yaesubase1. This is the inside of your 959. I'm getting ready to put the faceplate and the covers on it. Everything is all nice and tidy. The SX175 has been wired in. There's the protection diode, the bypass capacitors, and the standoff that all the power connections are connected to. And they never give you, the black wire is too short, so I always have to add some onto the black wire. So I use a nylon barrel connector, so I can use the same size wire. Okay. And keep that up. There's the new 4700 microfarad cap, filter cap, that basically filters power. There's the new 3300 microfarad 25 volt cap for the voltage regulator transistor. Yep, keep it up. Let's see, the radio comes with Schottky diodes now. All the 959s have Schottky diodes. Upgraded TR17 or Q17, excuse me. And made some changes to the receive circuit to cut down on the white noise some. There it is. There's your LC5304. Everything tied down nice and neat. Okay, I'll put the covers on it and get it in operation. I've already tested it. Peak power is over 250 watts on both AM and SSB. So I'll be showing you that once I get the covers put on it and I'll get the radio all put together. Alright, I'll be back. Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Yaesubase1, Sharon I believe it is. This is your custom DX959. I wanted to show you some of the features and the performance of the radio. We'll go right to the output power first. Got a bird cabinet set up here. The meter on the right has a 50 watt slug in it and is set on the ×5 scale. Meter on the left has a 100 watt slug in it and is set on well, it's just 100 watts. There's no adjustment for it. Okay, and I'm on 27265, and I'm on lower sideband, audio 1 2 3 3 2 1, audio test audio testing, audio. RMS is about over 90 watts, almost 100 watts. And peak is about 250 watts. So let me do that again. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio test. Audio 1 2 3 4 5, audio. You can see this one's screaming. Okay. And now for receive, go to channel 38. Oh, put that on, let's see, internal. And I adjusted that meter down to S9, but I did go in and retune the receiver. It's reading a little bit over S9. I haven't put the screws in the covers yet. The covers are just sitting on the radio. So I'll go in there and adjust that down to S9 like it should be. Oh, you know what? Nope, I've got the adjustment wrong. But it's still reading a little high. But there's where the meters, where the adjustment is, the RF power. Okay, and we're on that scale, -60. We're set right there. It's not too far off. Alright, let's switch to sideband. Or sideband, they're both reading a little bit high. So I'll take care of that before I ship it out. Okay. Turn that off. Switch back to the bird and the antenna. Let's go to the top. We use a CSS switch so we can change bands. Band C is the CB band. You can see that channel 38 is in position 43 on the C band. There's the D band, E band, and it rolls back around to the bottom frequency, which is the B band, position 20. Okay, there's your highest frequency. There's your lowest frequency. Okay, let's do a power test on the lowest frequency. Audio test. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio. That's on 26705. Audio 26705. And now then, let's roll back over to the top. That's your highest frequency. Audio test audio. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio. Pretty balanced. Okay. Squelch scan. Squelch the radio up where you don't hear any sound coming out of the speaker. Right goes up. Oh, you gotta have the CSS switched off to where it's in the channel position. And there we go. We're scanning up now. When the squelch opens, that's what it does. When the squelch closes, it goes back to scanning. Same thing with it, scanning down. Squelch opens, that's what it does. Squelch closes, goes back to scanning. Okay? And I just demoed the CSS switch for you. All the way to the left is the channel position. In the middle or to the right is the band position. And you'll see the display, the 3-digit display changes to indicate that you're on band and position. Okay? Most people prefer, this is the mode it's in right now is called the channel 1 reference mode. Most people prefer this mode. This tells you that you're 16 channels below channel 1. Okay. If you have any questions, concerns, not happy with something, please email me. Okay? Thanks a lot. Appreciate your business. It was my pleasure to build the radio for you. 7 3s.